it's Paige Leanne. So I'm here today doing something a little bit different on my channel. Today is Friday and I'm starting what is called Face Mask Friday. Yes, y'all. So every week I will be uploading a DIY face mask, and every week the face masks are going to have different benefits that it's going to serve for your purposes. So it may be 1 week dry skin, oily skin, it may be combination skin, acne, face blemishes, dark circles, dark spots on your face. I mean, the list goes on until I run out of deals. And I have a lot of ideals up here. Y'all just don't freaking know. I have so many ideals in my head that goes through all day. That's a different story. So today will be dark spots on your face. Basically how to vanish them, make them more not visible, or just get rid of them, period. I've seen this on Pinterest a lot, so it is really a popular one, and I'm just excited to try it and see how it works out, and then try a new one next week, and so on and on and on and on and on, week by week. Face Mask Friday, you heard it here first. I will be showing y'all how I'm gonna whip this up in the kitchen, how I'm going to apply it to my face, rinse it, and then give y'all my honest review on if I like this, will this not be getting put on my face anymore. And yeah, stay tuned. So I will be starting off with just my face sponge, and yes, I have gloves on because I'm not sure with the turmeric if it will stain your nails or your fingertips. So I'm not taking any chances because I know that turmeric can stain clothing. So yeah, I'm just being on the safe side. So I'm just starting off with this being warm and basically just wiping this all over my face, and this is just warm water, and basically just to get my pores open. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and apply this mask, and it has a really orange tint to it. I know y'all probably just can't tell on camera. So I'm gonna start off with a little section at first. I'm gonna even put this up under here because yeah, I had a feeling that was gonna fall. Okay, so it's really, really gritty, really messy. So far, it's really messy, y'all. So just be prepared to clean up your counter or whatever. Okay, y'all, so I would definitely say this skin mask works. Like, my face is way brighter, way lighter in some areas. Usually it's a little bit darker around my lips. That's just how my skin is. I can tell a difference. They say to use it for like 7 days, so that's what I'm going to do to get the ultimate, yes, you gotta say like ultimate benefits with this DIY. Another thing I would say, don't use your washcloths because it will stain them. What I did was I splashed my face with warm water, removed all the coffee grains and as much as, you know, that I could get off. And then I came in with just a sensitive skin wipe, and look at all that turmeric, y'all. Look at it. So it's way worse than what y'all can see. But if this had been one of my towels, which I had one prepared, I would be like mad right now because I heard that you can't get turmeric stains out. I'm not sure, I haven't ever tried. So another thing, my face was super itchy throughout this whole process, y'all. Oh yeah, I gotta tell y'all that, super itchy. I cannot wait till the 20 minutes was up to get it off my face. So it's not really a soothing face mask, like you're just relaxing, your face feels so good, and no, it's itchy face mask. So you can finish off with, of course, moisturizing, hydrating your skin. If you have really dry skin, I would recommend using vitamin E or 100% African shea butter is good. Or you could just go in with a little coconut oil. Normally, I do all the oils if I'm not going anywhere. I'm just around the house. I don't want to go somewhere and look like a grease bucket, or like I just took some grease from a frying pan from frying fish and just splashed on my face or something. No, that's not cute. So if I'm going somewhere, I like to use this Shea Moisture, and it's African black soap problem skin moisturizer. Has tea tree oil, clear and balanced blemish oily skin. So I do like to use this. It's really creamy. It smells so good. I've already used like about half this jar, so I would definitely recommend trying it out. I normally use just, I'm not flicking y'all off, I promise, but I normally use about that much, so it doesn't take much either. And then apply it to my skin, and it feels so good. It's helping with the itchiness as well, so because y'all, my skin was itching so bad from that stuff, but I guess it was working. I guess that's what it was. And that is pretty much it. I then put a little shea butter on my lips, because I do think it even works with my lips, because my lips look really, really pink after that. And that is it, y'all. So I hope y'all like this Face Mask Friday. Definitely comment if this is something that you enjoyed, and I will see y'all next Friday for another Face Mask Friday. You saw it here first. Bye.